everyone, my name is Mansi and I am a student of MNS batch at Centurion Defense Academy. I am here to tell you about the MNS written examination 2019. I have cleared my written examination. I want to tell you all that paper was very easy and it was divided into 3 sections. 50 questions were there for each section. First section was of general intelligence, which is accordingly divided into 2 sections, means your reasoning portion and static GK, and second portion was of general English grammatical portion, and third portion was of general science, means physics, chemistry, biology, all were included in general science portion. 50 questions were there in each of the sections. Now I am coming to the part of general intelligence. 20 to 25 questions were there for reasoning section, and 20 to 25 questions were there for the static GK. Static GK was very easy and the notes were provided to us were very helpful for me. Now I am coming to the section of English, which was very easy, means if you are applying the practical knowledge of English in the grammar portion also, then you will be able to solve the question in upcoming exams also. Now I want to tell you about the portion of general science, which was also very easy. NCERT based questions were there, one-liner questions were there, and they were easy to tackle, means moderate level of questions were there. And if you are a sincere student in your academics, and if you are sincere and paying proper attention to the class notes also which are provided to you by the faculty members of Centurion Defense Academy, you will be able to solve the maximum number of the questions. This and my strategy was that I have paid full attention to the my classroom program. I have attended all the classes and I learned the notes which were given to me, and I paid full attention towards the static GK portion, so I was able to clear my examination. Thank you.